Howdy everyone, this is Graham Pine. I'm with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the East Quarter Residences. It's the East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas, and it's in the East Quarter section of downtown. What we're going to do is we're going to do a series of videos today. This is going to be about 10 to 12, and it's going to be refresher videos. We've been here before. It's a really pretty residence. It's a high-rise, and it's really unique. It's one of our favorite ones really in all of Dallas. It stands out because it's unique. It's built within an older building, kind of the facade of it, the first couple floors of it, but then there's a newer part that's completely new, that's that part. So it kind of incorporates the old and the new. This is the area itself it's around. It's definitely a developing area. This is the farmers market area. So it's an area that's definitely desirable and kind of going up as far as people wanting to be here. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go inside, we're going to take some new content, and we're going to take some existing content. We're going to film basically places we filmed before, but it's going to be better quality, so I think you'll like both. Go ahead and watch these. Get a good idea of what you think of the East Quarter Residences. And by the way, this tour is meant to be the best tour ever that you would see. You don't need to go in person. This is going to be like if you're touring, but it's going to be more detailed. So just sit back and relax. Like I said, just watch the videos or skip around. Hey, if you have any questions, send me a text. Just use the number below. And at any time, if you want to take a tour, we can set up a virtual tour. Don't even come live. We can just do virtual. And those virtuals can be where you request it, and then we arrange a live virtual tour for you to see of the East Quarter Residences on your schedule. It could be as early as even later today. So send me a text whenever you're ready. But now let's talk about the East Quarter Residences.